Welcome back. Hi, I am Veronica from TapsikDesign, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a cute, different kind of ballerina inspired ornaments. So grab yourself some materials and let's get started. I use some Styrofoam discs, white paint, and then I paint in the Styrofoam ornaments twice. After the paint was dry, I applied Decoupage Glue and rice paper on the ornaments. On the back of the ornaments, I use some stamp and air drying clay to make a different kind of design. Roll out the clay and then apply the stamps onto it. To glue the clay, I use express glue from Pentart. Apply the glue and then carefully apply the air drying clay. Make sure that you don't ruin your design. Take off the excess clay and then let it dry good. After the clay is dry, apply any kind of paint you want. I like to use glitter decoupage glue for the special glittery touch, so apply it on the rice paper. After drying, I applied glaze onto the ornaments. I applied 4 layers and in between the layers I let them dry. If you don't have glaze, you can use triple thick or glossy varnish. In the next step, I grab myself express glue, some mold, some air drying clay. I apply the mold shape, then onto the ornaments. Glue everything together and let it dry. After the clay was dry, I used some paints to paint the design. When everything is finished and paint the way you want it, let it dry and then go ahead and apply some varnish. I applied matte varnish. I am very sorry, but somehow I forgot to take a screenshot of it. The varnish I used was a matte varnish from Paint Art. After the varnish was dry, I applied some wax paste onto the design. The last step of this was applying some ribbon onto the ornaments so you can hang them onto something. And here they are, all finished. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see some other inspired ballerina decor, I have 2 other designs made. Just jump on my YouTube channel and check them out. Otherwise, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do subscribe and leave me a comment below.